Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Power up your Alexa device and update its firmware so smart features work reliably. Once done, connect it to your home Wi-Fi using a stable 2, 4 or 5 GHz network and keep the SSID and password handy. Next, choose compatible smart devices, bulbs, plugs, locks, and a thermostat because compatibility avoids time-wasting returns. You'll pair one device type first to learn the flow. This reduces mistakes and shows why a single successful pairing matters before scaling up. You now pair devices and build automations. First, install each device's app, create accounts, and update firmware. These steps ensure secure cloud links. Then open the Alexa app, tap devices, the plus icon, add device, and follow brand-specific pairing prompts. Use Bluetooth or hub if required. Once paired, create routines to tie devices together. Set triggers like voice, schedule, or sensor, add actions such as lights on or thermostat set, and include announcements so your system communicates state changes clearly. You finish by organizing and securing the system. Group devices by room and give concise voice-friendly names so Alexa reliably understands commands. This reduces misfires. Make sure accounts are secured with unique passwords and two-factor authentication, and remove unused Alexa skills to minimize attack surface. Test full scenarios, arrivals, bedtime, away, and adjust delays or confirmations. If a device stops responding, power cycle the device and router, then reassign it to the correct Wi-Fi band.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.